Going up.
2503 here. 25. So guys, welcome to my room here at Noble Hotel. So as you can see, nasa 2 ka beds. Perfect lang size. There's a table here in front of the TV nga. It is actually a smart TV. So you can watch Netflix, YouTube videos. I'm watching my channel. And yeah, there's a nice chair here if you want to work. I brought my laptop so I can do a couple of stuff. And over here you can see Metro Cebu looking really nice. But I believe for safety purposes, guests are not allowed to go out. So even if it's open, I think they screwed it shut. So for the safety of the guests, of course. Yeah, so that's the living area. We have a ref over there. We got some sugar, coffee, cream, water for your hot water. Over here we got a small drawer with all the needs: vanity kit, shower cap, dental kit. Very nice, very convenient. And over here is the bathroom. So guests get free supply of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So there's enough towels. We got hand soap and lotion over here. Yeah, nice, perfect. Let's see if we can find a. Okay, there's no hair blower, hair dryer. So yeah. Over here we got the safe. The sink looks really nice. So you don't often see a hotel room with a sink, but I believe this is a serviced apartment type of hotel, since this is originally a condominium project. So basically all of the units have this kitchen faucet thing. Okay, so right here we got extra pillow and some more free storage. There's additional outlet over there. So yeah, plenty of storage space. So yeah, there you have it guys. That was a very quick room tour of my room here at Noble Hotel. This is Grand Residences originally along Manila Road. It's right next to the Samantha Badra School. Please subscribe if you want to see more updates from me of my future travels, and hopefully more hotel room tours to come. So see you next time guys. Bye.